Good morning, my friends, and welcome back to another vlog. I am so sorry about what my voice sounds like right now. I can't change it, can't do anything about it right now. I'm really sick at the moment, but I really just wanted to vlog. Today it's Sunday and I have a couple plans, but not a lot. I was supposed to have plans this morning, but those were postponed. But I do have plans this afternoon. I'm hoping my voice gets better throughout this video. It's the morning right now. It's funny because yesterday I felt so sick. Like I felt awful, but I sounded like 90% fine. And then today I've woken up with like half a voice. It's better now than what it was when I first woke up, but I feel okay. Like I feel better than I felt yesterday, but I sound so much worse. I'm sorry if my voice is annoying sounding like this, but I just wanted to have a little day in my life vlog because I just miss talking to you guys. I'm gonna go have a shower and try and put myself together a little bit more, have some breakfast, and then start my day. Hello friends. I'm just putting some makeup on now. I'm only gonna put on a little bit because since I'm sick, I'm constantly blowing my nose, and if you guys know, wearing makeup plus like blowing your nose all the time is not fun. My voice is like slowly getting better, I think. Like I sound like better than I did this morning. I actually sounded like a dying animal, I think. Anyway, I'm just gonna do my makeup and I'll check back in a sec. Ah. Makeup is done. We need some spritzy spray. Where does my, what? Where did I put it? Oh, Georgia put it away because I'm a mess. Okay, let's clean up this desk. Okay friends, I'm going to give you a little mini haul, but I need to find my little tripod. Fun fact about me, I'm a super organized person. I love having plans. I love being organized, but I literally lose something probably every second day. I lose my keys all the time, lose my wallet all the time, lose my license all the time, lose my phone, like everything. I'll have it 1 minute and literally not know where it is the next minute. Georgia gets not frustrated, she just laughs at me all the time because I'll be like, oh my gosh, where's my phone? She's like, Rachel, you were holding it 2 minutes ago. I think I just have a really short attention span. My brain just like works so quickly. Like I just have one thought after the next, and so it's good sometimes. Sometimes it's just not good. Hello and welcome to my lounge room floor. I recently picked up some stuff from Nasty Gal and I wanted to show you because I'm really excited about it. If you have been following me for a while, you may know, but I've been working with Nasty Gal for a while now and I actually really love their stuff. A lot of their stuff is really affordable. They always have great sales on. Speaking of which, they have some Black Friday stuff coming up. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check out their website, and you can use the code RachelC55 for 55% off. It does exclude sale and it ends on the 31st of November, I'm pretty sure, but feel free to go Black Friday shopping. I know if you're an Australian like me, which many of you are, our Black Friday sales kind of suck. They don't really exist a lot compared to like the US stuff. So if you want to feel like you just want to be included in all the Black Friday stuff, definitely check out Nasty Gal. But I'm going to show you some pieces I picked up because I'm really excited. Really excited. The first thing I got was a swimsuit, and guys, I'm so excited. Also for my US viewers, in Australia we're going into summer. In my last haul, people were like, why are you talking about summer? It's November, we're going into winter. And I'm like, no, in Australia we're going into summer. So I've got a lot of summery pieces in here. But this little swimsuit, are you serious? Look how cute that is. I love this little like crop top kind of style because it just has that little bit more coverage, especially if you're like at the beach in the waves and stuff. These are the bottoms. They're like super high-waisted, that really like flattering like above the hip kind of style. And if you can't see, it's like a peachy pink like gingham kind of pattern. I really love that. I also picked up the same top in 2 different colors. I thought this would just be one of those really good basics to have. So it's just like a sleeveless little crop top and then it has a zip down the front. So obviously you could zip this up if you wanted to, and the zip is so cool because it's this like literal huge circle. Like I could almost fit my hand, okay, I couldn't fit my hand through that, but it just looks like that. And I feel like it's one of those tops that you could just pair with everything, so I wanted to get it in white as well. So I did. Crazy stuff. If you guys have been hanging around my channel a long time, you may know that there's this one pair of jeans that I wear, and that pair of jeans is from Nasty Gal and it's my favorite pair of jeans of all time. So I got a couple more pairs because I was like, if that one's that good, maybe some of their other ones will be really good as well. I don't own a pair of skinny jeans that I like, and I really want a pair that I just really love. So I got this pair and we'll see how it goes. It's a very like blue wash, like they're very blue, like a mid-wash kind of color. I think I pretty much got everything here in a size 8. For reference, I'm a pretty typical size 8, and they're just a very standard skinny jean. Nothing crazy, but like something that everyone should have in their wardrobe. And I also got this pair of jeans, which I'm so excited about. They do remind me a lot of the other pair that I have that I love, and it's just like straight down, kind of like a relaxed fit, and then it also has a rip in the knee. My other ones have rips all over them, which I love, but it's nice to just have a little bit of a rip, not like a lot. Even just looking at these, they look like they're gonna fit so well. I also picked up a blazer, which is like, do I really need this? Probably not. I feel like if I wore this, I am in New York. It's winter time. I'm wearing a cute little dress and over the knee boots and this cute little blazer. I love the colors of it. It's just like white, black, but like with orange throughout it. I think this is literally the coolest jacket ever. I've wanted it for so long, but I was like, I don't need it, but I do need it. And now it's here. So I also got this little top. It'll be a lot easier to see it in the try on portion. This color is my new favorite color. It's pretty similar to the shirt I'm wearing right now in terms of color. It's just like a sagey green. So it's just like a basic little crop top, but the back of it has a little crossover, and it also has this little like, it almost looks like a belt detailing where you can kind of like tighten it. But I just thought this was so pretty, and it's like kind of like formal but like really simple at the same time. I also picked up this little top. I think my friend Georgia Woodford has this top, and I saw her wear it and I was like, I really want that. So here I am once again stealing all my friend's style, but it's just a literal plain black top, and it has that little like cutout. So perfect to wear with absolutely anything in the summer. It's ribbed as well, which is really nice. And my camera just stopped recording. But I was about to say, I got these 2 pairs of sunnies, which I think are so cool. I'm really excited about these. Honestly, really love Nasty Gal's accessories. They have so many cool things. But I got this pair, which are like a tortoise shell kind of style, and obviously they have the really pointy thing. It made me look way cooler than I actually am. And then I got the same exact style but in red. How cool are these? And they make everything look pink even better. That is it for this little mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to, you can use the code RachelC55 at checkout if you want to save 55% off, which is a crazy deal. But Black Friday, going shopping sounds good to me. But now it's like 10 o'clock and I'm not really sure I'll probably just do some YouTube work for the next couple of hours, because guys, I have something to tell you. This afternoon, I'm going wedding dress shopping. Just kidding, I'm not engaged, guys. One of my best friends, Beck, is engaged, and I am one of her bridesmaids, which I'm so excited about. I think the vlogs that are going up are not gonna be in order. Like, I think there might be a vlog coming after this one where I filmed when she asked us to be her bridesmaids. Georgia is one of her bridesmaids as well, which is so exciting. But she organized to go dress shopping today, and her other bridesmaids are busy. Georgia's at work at the moment. So we're gonna go and have a little busy day dress shopping. I've never been dress shopping before. Obviously, I haven't had my own wedding, so like, why would I go for that? But I've never even been with anyone else. I've never even been like formal dress shopping, because even all the balls, all the formals that I've been to, I've always ordered my dress online every single time. So I've never even been to like a fancy like dress shop. This is really exciting for me. I'll take you guys along with that. Obviously I won't show you if she ends up buying one, but I can try and give you little sneaky peeks. I changed my outfit just into a little play suit. I think I'm gonna wear this to the dress shopping this afternoon, but I just finished filming all those try on clips that you had already seen, and now I just need to clean up because this is the current mess of my floor now. I also really need to clear this rack. So I am so blessed to be sent some clothes and do Instagram as like a very small part-time job. So I really like to plan out all of my Instagram photos and which things I'm wearing. So all of these things were just from previous hauls that I've filmed, and this stuff is actually just Depop stuff that I need to list, so like that little section here. But I need to put all of this stuff away because I've finished that haul, and then I need to hang up the stuff that I'm planning to shoot with in the next like week or so. I literally have so much to clean. Like, what? Why did this? How did I? What? This is ridiculous. So my camera's flashing dead. I'm gonna clean all of this up and hopefully show you a really nice after kind of clip of a clean room. But like, this is actually ridiculous. This is not okay. Room is now completely clean. It took me way too long. Usually I'm so like let's get this done like as quick as possible. But today I was just like, I just need to take my time because my body is just like not capable of this right now. But we're done and I'm really happy with how clean it is. I'm planning on filming a room makeover video because I actually have a lot of things that I'm doing. So I need to put my basket wall up. I'm moving my bed a little bit. There's a bunch of stuff that I still need to do in this room. So if you guys want to see that whole process in a video, please let me know. It is now like lunchtime, like 12, and I realized I'm getting picked up at 1, not 1:30, which is fine. So I'm just gonna go make myself some lunch. I'm so exhausted. Wow. Not feeling too terrible. I feel like my voice is coming back a lot. So, I mean, it's still not great, but it's a lot better than it was. A lot better. So that is exciting. I'm so excited to go shopping with Beck this afternoon. Oh my gosh. She's gonna be the most beautiful bride. Like, wow. The time has come, my friends, to turn off the fan, to go dress shopping. I'm just gonna wait till Beck messages me, but I'll show you my outfit. I don't really know what you wear to these sort of things. Do you try and look nice, or could you wear like anything? I'm just wearing a little play suit that looks kind of like a dress, and these little tie-up shoes that I really like. They're super comfy too. But that is my outfit, and then I'm just taking this little like bag. It's just tan. I've got my water bottle. Can you tell what my favorite color is? Couldn't tell. But yeah, I'm excited. Look at Mrs. O'Connell.
Oh my gosh, stop.
That's crazy. We just made it to the bridal shop and Beck's gonna go try on some dresses. I'm so excited.
I literally said I'm only trying on ones that are on sale just today.
That's fine.
Because like I'm not in a rush.
No.
Like I don't need a dress.
It's just a bit of fun.
Yeah.
And just get ideas.
Exactly.
On what you like.
Yeah, what styles
Do you
I
have
like.
ideas?
Kind of, but no, I don't even know. Stress.
I don't know how much I'll show you. Probably not a lot, but just like wanted to keep you guys updated.
Are you excited?
Yes, I'm kind of overwhelmed. I don't really
There's
know.
a lot, like a lot. We're on the second floor.
We don't really know what we're doing. We're pretending like but we don't know.
It's just fun. I didn't realize there were so many different things.
And they're like all different colours. Look at that.
Yeah, how many
One's
different
yellow
shades of
and
white
one's-
are there?
And that's like grey. What do you mean?
Grey. But then you see one that's like really
Pink.
white and you're like, wait, what are the other ones? If
Yeah,
this one is
yeah.
actually white.
That's
Crazy.
No.
Yeah.
Like a bride.
Do you really feel like a bride?
Kind of.
We found some really
I
pretty
know.
dresses.
We liked a few, didn't we?
Yeah. It's
But
gonna
they
be a
were very
hard
different.
decision. I'm glad that you liked a few though, because it's not like,
I'm not limited.
yeah.
I don't have to
I feel
find-
like you felt beautiful in a few,
Yeah.
which is great.
Yeah.
But you do have to make more decisions now, I
Yes.
guess.
That's
But that's
true.
okay.
That's
You have
alright,
time.
it's fine. I'm sure I'll step in one and be like,
That's it.
this is it.
But those ones, very
Yeah.
beautiful.
But we can go to lots of other shops.
Exactly.
Look who's home.
Hello.
George just got home from work. I honestly didn't get home that long ago from our little bridal appointment. But now we're heading off to church, so I'll probably talk to you guys afterwards. I don't really film at church, but it is one of my favorite parts of the week, so I'm excited. My makeup has all rubbed off my face from me blowing my nose that many times. Almost had a coughing fit in the bridal like studio place, which is so fun, but it's okay. We're surviving.
Once they have known my name, and they even look like old pictures of my mother. This woman had.
It's just
Love your hair.
seems like something.
Can you not? I didn't realize it looked like that. Oh my goodness. Cover your mouth!
We're watching, sorry.
There's
I'm trying to film my video. I was just gonna say we're watching some gossip. Are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
So weird.
George and I are watching some Gossip Girl, hanging out, busy Sundays. Why do you hate me?
Sometimes, despite.
Sorry,
For what?
Ben Wayne.
Why do you really say sorry when I turn the camera on?
Okay, take it back.
We're actually like, we argue like sisters. How was your day out of 10?
7 maybe?
What's your highlight of the day?
Hanging out with you.
Wow, so genuine. What was your low light?
Lola.
Is that a thing or is that like not a word?
I don't know.
I was trying to...
What was the worst part of your day?
I'm wearing my Christmas pajamas. Okay, we gotta go to bed. We're such grandmas. It's 10 p.m. This is too late.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not going to the gym tomorrow.
Thank you guys for tagging along for my day today. I really don't even know what this vlog was, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Hopefully I feel better soon. That'd be incredible. Go away.
Stop touching me.
Go away. You're actually ridiculous. Good night, guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you very soon.
Yeah.
I didn't invite you. When you start singing along and someone joins in like it's a freaking duet, no. This is not High School Musical. This is solo. Rachel, thank you. Good.
Goodbye. Good night.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.